Dallas's. We got mine, we got Dave's, we got Brandon's. Badass car. Check that thing out. We got a 818, but we don't know whose this is. We're all sitting in the back. We're not sure whose this is. I'm trying to figure it out. And then down this way, you got a couple of Porsches. There's a Ferrari. And then we got a Cobra here. We got Kurt's Type 65 here. And then we have another Cobra here. This is John's. You can see some of the paintwork's incredible. That's all buried under the clear. Beautiful candy apple. Yeah, gorgeous car. I love the color. Yeah, different color, just really beautiful. This is a Mark 3.1. So beautiful car. I said, and this Type 65 is pretty badass. Pretty custom stuff. So yeah, full custom dash, a lot of custom stuff on this thing. This Cobra, no, all the cars up here are just beautiful. Yeah, just very, very nice. Yeah, excuse the Tesla, sorry, it doesn't belong. Back to the Porsche. We'll come back over here to the 818 and say we're not sure whose this is. Nice looking car though. Yes, crazy money.
Yeah. And shit, I can't remember how much, but yeah.
It's 5 minutes. Pretty sweet dash.
Yeah, so she has to run today. I don't think.
We're done here. People are gonna start rolling out. Thank you for watching another episode, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to try to do more of the cruise-ins next year and maybe get more cars because the weather is going to be turning here. We'll start getting some rain. It's going to be a little harder to get out, especially for the open top guys. It starts getting cold. So my next video, I'm going to throw up what it takes to drive one of these things 10.5 hours straight. I promise that. So I'll start working on that in the next few days. But thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you hopefully in a week on how to make one of these things drivable for 10.5 hours straight. So thanks again. Talk to you later. Bye.